Dear children, welcome to our SST class. Last class we learned about the northern plains and also we learned the Satluj river basin. And in today's class we are going to discuss Ganga river basin and also the Brahmaputra river basin. Children, I hope you all know that Ganga is a holy river. Do you know from where it is coming or where it is originating? It is originating from Gangotri glaciers in Himalayas. And you know what is the name there? It is called Bhagirathi. Okay, it is not called Ganga there. And while it is coming down this Bhagirathi river, it joins with another two more rivers, that is Alagananda and Mandagini. And when these three rivers joins together, from then we call it as Ganga. Okay, so now you understood. It is the originating place, it is not known as Ganga. Okay, now we are also going to learn main tributaries. Tributaries means the smaller rivers that is joining into the bigger river. Okay, so which are the main tributaries and the stage through which it is flowing, and also we are going to learn about the branches of Ganga. And one branch is in India and another branch is going to Bangladesh. So all this we are going to learn for today's class. And now about Brahmaputra river basin. Children, this river is not originating in India. It is starting from Tibet. Do you know where is Tibet? Tibet is not in India. It is in China. In originating place, it is called Sangpo. Okay, and it enters through Arunachal Pradesh in India, and from there we call it as Brahmaputra. And also the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, before falling into Bay of Bengal, forms the largest delta in the world. Children, do you know what is the name of the delta? It is called Sundarabans. And tell me, what is delta then? Delta is a low-lying flat area found at the mouth of a river. Okay, children, we are also going to learn important cities along these rivers, and also I will teach you what is a Ganga action plan. Okay, shall we learn it in details then? Ganga river basin. The Ganga river originates as Bhagirathi from the Gangotri glacier in the Himalayan mountains. It flows at a high speed from the mountain slopes. On its way down, it is joined by the rivers Mandagini and Alagananda. These three rivers combine to form the Ganga. The Ganga enters the northern plains near Rishikesh. The Yamuna river, which is the main tributary of Ganga, also starts from the Himalayas. There are a number of rivers which flow from the Himalayas and join the main stream of Ganga. These include the Gagra, Gomadi, Ghandak and Kosi. The Yamuna joins Ganga at a place near Allahabad. This place is called Sangam. There is another tributary zone that joins the Ganga near Patna. The Ganga flows through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. After reaching West Bengal, it is diverted towards south and splits into several branches. Many of them joins Brahmaputra river after passing through Bangladesh, our neighboring country. In West Bengal, the Ganga flows slowly and splits into two branches, the Hooghly and the Padma. The branch of the Ganga in Bangladesh is known as Padma. The Hooghly is the main branch of the Ganga in India. It flows through West Bengal. Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal, is situated on the banks of the Hooghly. Brahmaputra river basin. The Brahmaputra is the longest of the three rivers of North India. It starts in Tibet, where it is called Sangpo. It enters India through Arunachal Pradesh and flows through Assam before entering Bangladesh. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra, before falling into the Bay of Bengal, form the largest delta in the world. It is called Sundarbans. A delta is a low-lying flat area found at the mouth of a river and is formed of deposit of alluvium brought by the river. Many cities exist along the banks of these rivers. Some of the important cities include Delhi along Yamuna, Kolkata along Hooghly, and Kanpur, Allahabad, Patna, Varanasi along Ganga. Many goods are produced in the factories which are located in these cities, but the harmful waste from these factories are discharged into the river. This makes the river water dirty, it becomes unfit for drinking and other uses. The government has started a project to clean the Ganga river and prevent its further pollution. This is known as Ganga Action Plan. The plains of Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra river has been inhabited by people since early times. The states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and National Capital Territory of Delhi lie in this region. Part of Assam also lie in this region.